welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is on this month's Bella box. So this is the June Bella box. It's in the purple packaging today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so in this month's box, I've received 5 little samples here. So the first sample I got is the Pantene Micellar Conditioner. So I did get the shampoo in a previous box and I have trialed that one already. So I'll give the conditioner a try in the next few days and I will add a clip in once I have tried the conditioner out and let you guys know what I thought of it. So just quickly, I have given the Micellar Pantene conditioner a go. I think it's quite nice. I do have other products I prefer better though, so I'll probably pass this on to a family member or a friend because I am using products that are more based for my sensitive skin and like for my eczema and psoriasis, etc. But I think it was really nice. It was very soft. It smelled really good. It was just a standard conditioner. I just think it was a little bit more based for sensitive skin over their standard Pantene shampoo and conditioner. So I would definitely, if I had a choice between the standard and this one, I would definitely buy the Micellar ones over the standard ones. Second product is Bean Body Lip Scrub in Espresso. So I think I've used one of these products already. I think it was an eye cream by this brand, so I'm looking forward to trying this one. As I said, I will add in clips of me using these and let you guys know what I think of the product. But this is coconut oil and cocoa butter to soothe and smooth dry lips, so I'm excited to try that out. So I'm going to give this a lip scrub a shot. So it's the Espresso lip scrub from the recent Bella box. It's by Bean Body, so it's basically an exfoliator for your lips. It doesn't come with instructions or anything on the packaging, but it does say that it's not edible. You can normally get ones that you can just lick the sugar residue off your lips. So I think this one we just need to take it off with a wipe. So I've just got a standard baby wipe here. I'm just opening the package. So I'm just going to squeeze some out. Okay, so it was quite hard to squeeze it out, but this is what it looks like. It looks quite thick. It smells quite coffee and a little tinge of like coconut or something in it. So wonder if there is coconut. Yes, there's coconut in this, that's why I can smell coconut. So I'm going to pop this on my lips and just rub it in, exfoliate a bit, and then I'm just going to take a wipe and just wipe the residue off, and then we'll have a look at what my lips look like. Okay, so I've just taken the lip scrub off. My lips feel very nice and soft and hydrated now. I actually feel they look a little bit plumper than normal. So I really liked this. It smelled quite a bit of coffee. I did get a tiny bit in my mouth and yes, it tastes like coffee and coconut and sugar. So pretty much like an iced coffee really. Overall, I think this product is great. I do prefer the ones that you can just lick off your lips, the excess, because you can use them on the go when your lips are quite dry and chapped. But it definitely feels really nice. The next product is actually it's by La Roche-Posay. Okay, so it's Effaclar Duo Plus. So it's a targeting and unclogging care product for acne-prone skin, anti-imperfections, anti-marks, and anti-reoccurrence. It targets moderate and reoccurring imperfections, clogged pores, and persistent marks, and you see visible results after 12 hours. All right, I might give this a try tonight and pop it on some spots that I've got on my face. You can see this one peeking through my makeup today. I've got another one on the side of my nose and underneath, and also on the tip of my nose. So I will give this one a try today and see if I can see any results overnight with this one. I ended up trying this for 2 nights in a row, and I didn't actually notice any improvement with this one, unfortunately. I did also get a HelloFresh booklet in here that I could get $90 off my first 4 boxes. I have just recently tried HelloFresh again for the second time. We don't like it. It's not for us, unfortunately. There's too much work and not enough payoff for us. So I would prefer to have our own meal plan rather than follow the HelloFresh. I did also get something from Pablo and Rusty's coffee roasters. So it's just a little pamphlet thing, and I think it's a subscription service, and with this I can get 50% off your first 3 at-home deliveries. So that's exciting. The 4th product that I got in here, I've actually just realized I've got 6 products again. So the 4th one is Plunkett's Vita E High Potency Natural Vitamin E Quick Dry Oil, enriched with rosehip oil and mandarin oil, and it's good for scars, stretch marks, and damaged skin. So I'll give this a whirl and I will let you guys know what I think of this one as well. I do have quite a few scars from my endo surgeries, so I definitely have some scars that could do with some lightening, and I definitely have some stretch marks as well, so I might give it a try on those and see if I notice any difference with it. Hi guys, so I tried this oil on my little spots and I can definitely see a small amount of difference, not loads, but a little bit, so I'm quite happy with that. It was quite nice. It is an oil enriched with rosehip and mandarin oil. I did try it on some of my scars as well. I didn't really notice any difference on my scars, but my scars are quite old, so they're not new scars. But I really liked it, so I will keep using the rest of that packet. The 5th product that I got in this month's Bella box is this L'Occitane Reset Serum. So it looks like this, and I'm not sure if you're able to see, but it looks like there's like little balls in there, like little balls of gel or something. So it's meant to be an overnight serum. Comes in a little bit of a pump container. I'm just going to see if I can get a tiny bit out to put on my hand. Okay, got a little bit out. So let's see what the consistency is like. It's quite nice actually. Oh, it smells nice too. All right, so it's just more like an oil. And my skin just soaked that up really nicely actually. So I will give that a try and let you guys know as well what I think of that. So I tried this last night on my complete face. I did have the other oil on my 2 spots, so I just missed those little bits, and I've woken up with my skin really nice and smooth. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's so nice on the skin, and it dried down quite quickly, like soaked into my skin quite nicely, so it wasn't all tacky or anything when I went to bed, which was great. But my skin is looking really nice and refreshed this morning. Nice and glowy. I've just rinsed my face. I haven't put on any skincare yet. So yeah, this is what my skin looks like the morning after this little tube. It's the Reset L'Occitane serum, overnight reset oil in serum, and you can see there's like little bits in it, and they do really come out in it as well and go on your skin. It is a beautiful. I'm definitely going to keep using this. I really like it. As I said, my skin is feeling fabulous this morning. It's looking really nice, really nice and clear. And I have worn makeup Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so my face hasn't had no makeup on it in a few days. So normally when I don't give my face a rest, it doesn't look as good as this. So yeah, the oil, I definitely love this. And my last product in this month's Bella box is this highlighting shimmer whip in champagne by Model Co. So I'm very excited to have a play with this one. So it just comes like this. So let's give it a try. I'll pop it on this hand so it's a bit different. Doesn't mix with the oil then. Oh, it's really nice. Just put the lid on so I don't squish this everywhere. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at it. That is beautiful. Oh wow, I really like that. So it's nice and subtle, it's not over the top. It'd be a good one that you can wear for like every day. It's not really goldy color, it is like the champagne sort of color, so it would go with pretty much anything. So I'll try a look out with this on as well. So I've just tried this highlighter here from the Bella box, and I really like it. This is what it looks like on my skin. It is stunning. I've got a little bit on my nose, on my cupid's bow, but mainly on my cheekbones and just up to my eyebrow bones. It's absolutely stunning. I really like it. It might be a little bit too out there for people that don't want huge amounts of color or shimmer on their skin, but I absolutely love it. I think the more highlighted the better. So for me, I really enjoy it. The formula is really nice. You only have to use a very small amount as well, and I was able to apply it with just my fingers. I didn't have to go in with a brush or blend it out with a beauty blender. So I'm very impressed with this, and I'll definitely be using this regularly in my collection. So that's this month's Bella box. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.